Hello, this is 1 week update. So last week I started to learn Obsidian from scratch from a learning map that ChatGPT built for me. So you saw me struggling with using the different plugins that Obsidian have. Today I already have uploaded multiple files to the Vault. I still have a lot of tasks that I need to do, but I wanted to show you that I didn't think that Obsidian is this cool. So look at this. Here I have this concept that is for my Math 2070 class, and I want to put the section number so that my students that are going to be using it will be able to navigate through the sections instead of the name of the concept, because they might not remember what is the concept called. So this is 6.4. So now I have 6.4 here. And when I'm done with that, you have updated 11 links in 11 files. So all of the files that link to this file now have been changed to the correct link. So the next thing that I am gonna do after I am done changing all of these names is going to be the actual concept map, where every concept is going to be linked to its prerequisite and to the misconceptions that student might have for this topic, so that students can navigate through a really nice concept map instead of going from file to file. So I will see you in that video.